Hi guys, so today again we come with another different informative video also. So today we will make carrot potato gravy or carrot potato sabzi. So for this we already took all these ingredients. For example, we took already carrot, potato. To make gravy, our this onion, tomato, green coriander for garnish, green chili, ginger garlic paste, oil. Okay, and in spices we took whole spices like cumin seed and this whole dried chili. Okay, and in spices we took like coriander powder 1.5 spoon, red chili powder we took 1 spoon, garam masala this half spoon. Okay, and black pepper to taste, and this we take to give flavor over this kasuri methi, and turmeric powder half a spoon to give color, and also salt. And all these utensils we need to use make our this carrot potato gravy or carrot potato sabzi. So what we will do first, we have to grate our this carrot and potato. Okay, and we will make our gravy with this ginger garlic paste and onion, and then when this will be ready, our gravy with the spices, so we will put our this carrot potato here and we will cook. Okay, so I will show you step by step everything, so please see this video till last. You will find how you will make carrot potato at your home in easy steps. So see this video till last, don't skip. So if you will skip, so you will don't know how you will make carrot potato gravy at your home. So let's start. And if you are still new on this channel, still not subscribe also, because benefit of subscribe channel is that you will get all our informative videos which we upload daily. So I hope you will do like this. So let's start now. Okay. So to make our this gravy carrot potato, I already took pan and put oil here. When this will be heated, so we will put our this cumin seed and whole round green red chili, and we took already onion and this one. So we have to make gravy here also with ginger garlic paste, and we cut only this our potato and carrot dices like this. So I will show you step by step everything. So when this will our oil heated, so we will put first this our whole spices, then this our onion and ginger garlic paste. Okay, I will show you. So our oil already heated. We put first our this cumin seed and this our chili. Okay, dried ground chili. Okay, and now we put our onion. So I already put it our onion and have to saute 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, when this will be golden brown, so we will put our ginger garlic paste in it. Okay, little curry patta also to give flavor over this gravy. Okay, curry patta to give flavor. Okay, so we have to saute proper this. Okay, so when this will golden brown, we will put ginger garlic paste and this whole flavor. So our onion already golden brown, so we put now this our ginger garlic paste. Okay, 2 spoon like this. Okay, and have to mix. And now we will put all our spices here. Okay, which I show you before, like turmeric, red chili, everything. And before that, we put tomato also and have to mix. Now we will put our all spices and we put this green chili all like this. Okay? And have to mix well like this. So now we have to put our this all spices in it. So I put all the spices here and have to mix. Okay, and have to put little water also because it will not be burned. So I put little water also here. Okay, and have to mix. Okay, and have to cook till 2 to 3 minutes. Then we will add our this carrot and potato in this. Okay. So I put all water also here. Now we add over this potato and carrot and have to cook till 20 minutes, 15 to 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, because this carrot will take time to cook. Okay, your carrot should be cooked. Okay, so we have to cover it. We put first kasuri methi. So I add little kasuri methi to give flavor our this vegetable curry, and have to mix. And now I have to cover it and have to cook till 20 to 25 minutes, okay, on high flame, okay. So I cover it and have to cook. I will show you after 20 minutes, okay. So now this 20 minute finish, we have to check our this gravy. Oh wow, so this is already maybe done. See your potato and carrot cook or not. If not cook, so we have to cook again 10 minutes, okay. See the color and also texture should be like this. So you can see like this, your potato still is already cooked, okay. Now put low fire, and this is already done, okay. See the color and also texture should be like this, okay. See, okay, so this is already done. See the color and also texture. See this already cook our potato. Now we put green coriander, okay. So this is already done. I will show you in the plate how will be served. So little bit thick should be your this. So again we have to cook 5 minutes more, and I will show you after 5 minutes, okay. So 5 minutes finish, we have to check again our this gravy. Oh wow, so this is already done. See the color and also texture should be like this, and also thickness should be like this. So I will show you in the plate how you will serve. So you can eat this with like paratha, chapati or rice, okay. So definitely our carrot potato curry is ready to serve now. See the texture and also color should be like this. So thickness also should be like this of gravy, okay. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you have any query regarding this or any other query, please comment in comment box and tell to us on which topic you need video. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. We will come with another informative video also. Please take care of you, and you should try at your home. I am also hungry. I also eat this. So till then, have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.